In this video, you will learn how to process payroll in the Paychex Flex app. First, log into Paychex Flex, open the Paychex Flex website or sign in with your username and your password. Go to the Payroll Center. From the dashboard, click on the payroll to access your scheduled payrolls. Select and create a payroll period. Choose an existing pay period and click Add Pay Period to set start and end dates and check dates. Enter employee payroll information. Input employee hours, salary, bonuses and deductions manually, or upload them for the time tracking system. Review payroll details, check for the totals, verify tax amounts and preview employee checks to ensure everything is correct. Submit payroll for processing. Click Submit to finalize payroll. Paychex will handle direct deposits, taxes and reports. Print or save pay stubs and reports. Download or print pay stubs on payroll. 2. You have them for your records or employee distribution. Now you know how to process payroll in Paychex Flex app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.